Hi, my name is Jenica, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to paint on your own jeans with acrylic paints. Today I'm going to be doing a SpongeBob and Patrick theme. The materials you will need for this project are a washable marker, paintbrushes of different sizes, acrylic paints of all the colors you will be using, fabric medium from your local craft store, an iron and ironing board, and lastly a pair of jeans. If you don't have fabric medium and you're not able to get it, you can still do this project. However, I've found that using acrylic paints alone makes the fabric a little bit stiff when you paint on it, and the fabric medium helps to give it a little bit of stretch, but either way it will work. I started my design by drawing some SpongeBob themed flowers all over the front of the jeans. Mix your acrylic paints with the fabric medium following the instructions on the back of the medium. The ratio I used was 2:1 of paint to medium. I decided to draw SpongeBob and Patrick on the back of the jeans. There's two ways that you can draw pictures on your jeans. The first way is what I'm doing here. I'm just looking at a picture and freehanding the drawing. The second way to paint a picture on your jeans is by printing it out and then cutting it out to make a stencil. You can then trace around the stencil with your washable marker. Cut different sections of the stencil out one at a time to trace around them. After you're finished tracing each section of the stencil, you can paint over it. I like to outline all of my drawings in black to make them stand out. When you're done painting, let the jeans dry for 24 hours. After the jeans have dried completely, iron them on medium-high for 3 to 5 minutes. The ironing will take some time, but make sure you don't miss any areas with paintings or it will wash off in the washing machine. you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.